Hi guys, today I want to do a continuation of my series on becoming a better guitarist. Last time I looked at major scales, so this time I thought I'd look at minor scales, which is kind of the logical next step really. So in my last video I explained how you construct a major scale. It's a series of whole steps and half steps. So you start at the root note and then just apply the series of steps to find the entire scale. In a minor scale, the series of steps is whole note, half note, whole note, whole note, half note, whole note, whole note. So the easiest way to visualize it is to remember A minor. A minor is the simplest minor key. Similar to in the major scale, you have the easiest being C major because it contains no sharps or flats. When you're looking at minor scales, A minor has no sharps or flats. It starts on an A and then finishes on an A an octave higher and goes straight up the alphabet through the notes. So it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. So let's just play that. I'll try and do it on just one string to begin with. So that's on the A string, that's a minor scale. And as with the major scales, it's easiest if you learn off some patterns. So I've learned off one pattern. So starting on the A on your lowest E string, the pattern goes like this. So I'll have that up on the screen for you, and it's really just a pattern you have to memorize. You can just do half of it to do a full A minor scale. And then, similar to the major scales, you can just move that pattern around. So say you want to play G minor. Say C minor. And then of course you can memorize the rest of the pattern, and then you can play up and down the fretboard quite easily. Another thing of interest you might have noticed is that since A minor contains no sharps and flats, it is simply all of the notes of the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and back to A. It actually technically contains all of the exact same notes as the C major scale, because C is all of the notes in the alphabet from C to an octave C higher above. So essentially they're the same scale, really. You just put the emphasis on the root note, either C or A, and that makes it either a C major or an A minor. So that makes A minor the relative minor of C major, which is kind of more complicated and you don't need to worry about right now, but in the back of your mind, just remember that every major scale has a relative minor, which is made up of the exact same notes, just played from a different starting point. So that's pretty much all I have for you today. Just trying to memorize patterns really, and hopefully it will be useful to somebody, and hopefully it will be useful in the future for songwriting purposes. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and check back next time.